AI might not replace construction workers in the future, but it absolutely will decide which construction companies win the future. If you're trying to get into all this before AI changes the construction industry, check out CourseCareers. They have a construction estimating and construction project management course that is designed to give you the skills to succeed in this future. Check out the links below. This will give you what skills you need to succeed in the industry. Now, here's why AI matters. Imagine you've got two competing construction companies bidding. One's doing it the old-fashioned way. One is using AI. They're using this AI to review construction documents, develop scopes, compare pricing, identify the risks, draft RFIs back to the architect and the engineers. They're going to organize meetings with all this AI information quicker than the competitor. We're eliminating all this work. Let's multiply that across the company, right? Let's take that company wide. We're going to use AI in estimating, pre-construction, project management, scheduling, in the field, and AI doesn't have to replace a single construction worker. It's going to multiply the amount that they're able to produce in a day and give the field guys more time in the field with the subs, making sure the project's on track. And because companies that figure this out early on are going to be able to bid and get more projects, the overhead's going to come down, their pricing's going to come down. So let's say maybe the real battle isn't AI versus construction workers. It's construction companies using AI versus the ones that don't. Which one do you think is going to win? Tell me in the comments. Now, that being said, I think that the future of construction is going to rely heavily on AI because this stuff, I use it and I run multiple jobs using AI, but it's not running the job for me. It just reduces the time I have to spend looking for something. It can pinpoint an area and I'm able to go directly to that area and solve the problem if it's a problem, or ask the question if it's a question. There's so much out there that AI does. Scheduling, I'm able to say, okay, I need to update the schedule because of this delay, that delay, or we've got a lead time that's changed. I'm having to change a vendor. I'm having to change a subcontractor. I had to pull a contract. Something has changed, and I'm able to do that in the schedule. With the RFIs, I'm able to put it in a language that an engineer is able to understand, which is hard because you'll get it from the field and then you've got to make the phone call. That saves all that time and we're able to produce a better product because of it. So let's go back to our topic of construction companies that use AI versus the construction companies that are not going to use AI. So AI is going to build an infrastructure and you're going to have no choice but to adapt to it for cost savings. I do believe AI is going to save the world a bunch of money simply by cutting out the middleman. Instead of sending an AIA form to be signed and executed, everybody gets a link, they click the link and they're okay with it. They read through the form, click okay, and then it's automatic. Right there it is on chain and everybody's able to understand. Signatures are good, we're moving forward. Somebody hasn't signed, the project will not be allowed to move forward. AI linked with your emails. Now, I personally think AI in your email is probably a little bit dangerous right now. I'm not saying in the future it won't be. Everything is dangerous when you start letting the internet have access to personal information, right? You cannot tell what the individuals out there that mean to do you harm are going to do. So that's up to you. There's safe and secure ways to connect your AI to your emails, but just be cautious. Know that these things can be hacked. It can hack itself. Looking over at change orders, those are going to be huge. It can track your costs and change orders. So that way you know that change order 1 was for this. Change order 2 was for this, this, and this. Change order 3 was for this. Here's the subcontract value. Here's the added changes. Change order 4 was a deduct. So here's the deduct in the value. And it's able to track along with you. So that way you're able to keep up easier. You can just say, hey, where are we at with so-and-so sub? And it'll bring it up, all the change orders, deducts, adds, whatever it is. So again, I ask you, the future of construction, is it not exciting? Are you guys not excited about this? I am. And that's what I'm going to keep testing on this channel is real AI construction tools, real applications for these tools, and whether this stuff actually saves us time and money or if this puts us in the hole. So if you're in construction, subscribe to my channel, like the video, let's get this out there. And don't forget, if you're trying to get into construction, Course Careers is a great start. There's tons of great starts out there. Feel free to email me. I'll get you pointed in the right direction. Won't cost you a dime for my information. So follow Build Smart. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.